Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make text bold on a LinkedIn post in 2025 step by step. This is perfect for highlighting the key points and grabbing the attention in your posts. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to understand that as of 2025, LinkedIn still don't so first of all, you need to understand that as of 2025, LinkedIn still doesn't offer native bold or italic formatting directly in the post editor. But don't worry, there is a simple workaround using the Unicode text tools. So first of all, you need to come on linkedin.com and then log in into your account. Then you will see your profile that should look something like this. Here you need to scroll down and click on the option of create a post. Now, once you click on this option, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you where you can basically start typing your message. Now, before typing it over here, I would recommend you to open a new tab and search for lingojam.com. You can also search for yatext.com. I will also put the link of it down in the description. So once you are on this page, you just have to type your normal text here and then it will create the bold version here in the right hand side. You will see bold, italic, medieval bold and bunch of different bolds. So you will have to select which bold do you want to copy. So you need to select that paragraph and you need to copy it from here. Then you need to come back in your LinkedIn account and paste it over here just like so. So you can basically bold the headlines, the key phrases or the entire sentence, as I have bold the entire paragraph. So after pasting over here, you will have to click on the post option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and your bold formatting will appear exactly how you have pasted it. No special code needed. So this is how you can make your text bold on LinkedIn in 2025 quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.